Oh, everyone.
Top of the morning to you.
I get it, because we're going to an Irish town.
Today is day 44. We are leaving Castilla y Leon, which we've been in for a long freaking time.
Really long time.
And entering our final region of Spain, Galicia.
Yeah!
It's heavily Irish influenced. It's supposed to be beautiful.
Yeah.
And really, really excited about it. Great food, great white wine, great people. It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be great. It's the town that I've been most excited about this entire trip.
Saw it on Rick Steves.
Saw it on Rick Steves, and Rick Steves never lies, man.
It's a notorious uphill battle to Osabrero.
Yeah.
But it's only about 8K away, so we're doing a super short day right up the hill, and then we're gonna enjoy it.
It's gonna be great, guys.
I'm already out of breath.
Guinness for everyone. You're under arrest for crimes against humanity.
I don't know that it's funny. What if it's sad?
Humanity?
No.
Crimes against humanity. Guys, I can't believe that we're on our way to Osabrero.
Maybe Rick Steves will be there.
Oh my god, I would
Waiting
love
for you
that.
with a beer.
So the Rick Steves story is A, I love him, he's amazing. And B, he has an episode on the Camino where he talks about he talks about the walk, but he also talks about two places.
No, he talks about like 6 towns.
Nope, he only talks about 2. The wine fountain and Osabrero.
I just don't have a very good memory.
And
remember he goes to Pamplona?
nope, I don't remember that. And so it's pretty cool. I've been looking forward to this town for a long time. So the other thing about this town is that it seemed impossibly far away. I didn't even think about it for a month and a half because it was just so far away on the map. And now we're walking to it.
I haven't done the exact math, but I think today we crossed the 100-mile left mark. We're into double digits.
It's crazy. I'm starting to feel like I can kind of sense the end of this thing, which is insane.
We might actually finish.
So some people take horses up this trail, and it's covered in poop. I'm calling it Horse Poop Road. So speaking of Guinness, you may not know this, but Sabrina and I fell in love over Guinness. One of my favorite drinks back in the day was a car bomb. A shot of whiskey and Baileys, and you throw it in a Guinness and you chug it on down. It's fucking delicious, and I'm the champ. No one could beat me. I'm the fastest there ever was.
Until he met me.
This is debatable. I think we tied, but she claims she beat me. But anyway, I like the way she drank it, so thought it was real sexy. She's a champ, though. Haven't had one since.
I am a champ. That's definitely not true.
Oh, right. Bye.
2K from the top, stopping for some soup.
Shoe the donkey. Shoe the donkey. Honey.
I think I hear a cow. Oh, hello. We're getting up there. There's the village where we had soup and cheese with honey. Almost to the top.
Hooray!
Okay, do something heroic. That's not really heroic.
We made it to Osabrero! Yeah, boy!
Osabrero, don't you cry for me.
Cha-cha, going to the tavern with a Guinness on my knee. Wah, wah, wah.
Look, it's right out of Rick Steves' show.
Rick Steves! Guys, we really made it to Osabrero. This is awesome. I've been waiting for this forever. Literally forever.
Look how cute it is. A room in Osabrero. Hello.
Welcome.
I was going to show. I love when places put the outlet inside the locker. How smart is that?
Hello. We heard music for the first time. This is the key, guys. If there's music, we will go to it. And look at this place. This place looks freaking awesome.
I'm sorry, I did not get the one that
Guys, the 9 millionth time. Music.
We followed the music, and it didn't take us to a bar like we thought. It took us to a little tienda. You could buy wine and snacks, and they gave you glasses.
I think she's smart. She's sneaky. Like, it's kind of a bar, but
But you're paying like grocery store prices. And you get to pick up lots of little nibbles
grocery store prices. Love it.
and sit with all these people in this beautiful little area.
It's good. And it was the music that got us.
Y el rey que por su cuerpo de amor movía, detrás de la cristiana fue presuroso, ay, y murió prisionero a la capilla.
And the lady who owns the tienda walks around and hands out tapas every 30 minutes.
Jose O'Malley's.
Oh, no. He has to give it to you too. Oh! Mucho mejor. Guys, that was so fun. Anna, you got a good stamp, and we made new friends, and we drank a lot of vino.
I hope someone answers that door. I really do. I hope they scare the shit out of you right now. Vindication. I knew I saw houses like that on that Rick Steves episode.
I knew I saw a roof. It was brown. And a door.
Oh, brother.
We just finished having dinner at that little restaurant right there.
And now?
And now we're hanging out by the side of the road, reflecting on the fact that we've walked over 400 miles to get here. I think that's pretty cool.
I think it's pretty cool that you've walked 400 miles with us too. With your eyeballs.
Probably not.
With your eyeballs.
This
This view is amazing. The sun is setting over here.
At like 10 o'clock, late nights here.
We don't want to toot our horns, but we're pretty proud of ourselves tonight, guys.
When did you ever think you would walk 400 plus miles anywhere?
Maybe in my life.
That's amazing.
It's pretty awesome. Anyway,
I'm feeling emotional about it.
don't cry. There is really an artist that's going around capturing your likeness like anyone I've ever seen. Look at that. Similarity
That is not
is just, wow.